Welcome students. I hope you are sound and safe at your places. In our today's video, we are going to discuss about exercise 10.3, question number 5 to 8. So let's start with our question number 5. What we have in our question number 5? Question number 5 is, what is the cost of tiling a rectangular plot of land? So exercise 10.3, question number 5. We have a rectangular plot whose length is 500 meter and whose breadth or width is 200 meter. He is saying find the cost of tiling. So tiling means inside portion we have to use and inside is your area. So area of rectangle is length into breadth. Your length is 500 into breadth is 200. When you multiply, you will get 4 zeros. So 4 zeros, 5 twos are 10. So you are having 1 lakh meter square. Then cost we have to find, and cost is given rupees 8 per 100 meter square. Per 100 meter square is rupees 8. Then for 1 meter square we have to pay less. Less means by 100. And for 1 lakh meter square we have to pay more, and for more we multiply. Now 2 zeros to 2 zeros cancel. 8 multiplied 1000 is rupees 8000 is the cost for tiling. So this way we can do our question number 5. Now let's move to question number 6. So what we have in question number 6? Question number 6 is, a tabletop measures 2 meter by 1 meter 50 centimeter. What is its area in square meters? So in meters we have to find. So we have to convert this centimeter into meter. So what we have to do? Divide by 100 as 1 meter equals to 1000 centimeter. So 1 meter plus, when we convert in decimal, 100, so after decimal 2 places. This will become 1.50 meters. This is 2 meters already. So 2 meter by 1.50 meter means length into breadth. So area is length into breadth. Length is 2. Generally longer one will be your length into 1.50. When you multiply, 2 zeros are 0, 2 fives are 10, carry 1, decimal, 2 ones are 2 and 1, 3 meter square. So this way you can find out your question number 6. Then question number 7 is, a room is 4 meter long and 3 meter 50 centimeter wide. How many square meters of carpet is needed to cover the floor of the room? So let's move to question number 7. Question number 7 is a room. So suppose this is your room. This is 4 meter, 3 meter and 50 centimeter. So what it is given? 4 meter by 3 meter 50 centimeter. Carpet we have to pay, so carpet is inside of the room. We will need, so what we have to find? Inside means area. So first convert this as units are different. So centimeter into meter, 50 by 100. So 3 meter plus 0.50 meters. So it will 3.50 meters, and this is 4 meter. So area is length into breadth. Length is 4 into 3.50. When we multiply, 4 zeros are 0, 4 fives are 20, 2 carry, decimal, so decimal, 4 threes are 12, 12 into 14 meter square. So this way we will get the area required for the carpet, that is 14 meter square. Then next question is, a floor is 5 meter long and 4 meter wide. That is 5 meter and 4 meter. So what we have? We have a square carpet inside it. And side is 3 meter for that. And what we have to do? We have to find this blank area, that is without carpet. So what we have to do? First we will find the area of this complete floor. So that is length into breadth. Length is 5 into 4. 5 into 4 is 20 meter square. Then what we will do? We will find area of carpet. So what is the area of carpet? This is square. So side into side. So your side is 3 into 3. That is 9 meter square. So total is 20 meters square, and whichever is covered with carpet, that is 9 meter square. So whatever is left, remaining area without carpet, that is out from total we will subtract carpeted area. So total is 20 minus 9, that is 11 meter square. So that portion is without carpet. Now let's move to question number 9. What we have in question number 9? Question number 9 is, there is a land of length 5 meter and breadth 4 meter, and 5 small square beds are there of flower, and their sides are 1 meter. That is square, means all sides are same. So he is saying find this remaining area where we are not having flower beds. So first of all, find the area of land, that is length into breadth. 5 into 4 is 20 meter squares. Then area of one flower bed. Flower bed is a square, so area is side into side, and side is 1 into 1, so that is 1 meter square. This is the area of one flower bed, but we are having 5, so area of 5 flower beds. 5 flower beds. For 1 it is 1, so for 5, 1 into 5, 5 meter square. Now remaining area we have to find. So for remaining we will subtract from total. So remaining area is 20 minus 5, that is 15 meter square. So this way we can find out remaining area. That's it for today's video. Thank you and have a nice day.